On May 11th, Tom Horn's bill to end Tucson's anti-American ethnic studies program in Arizona was signed into law.
The governor signed an ethnic studies bill into law last night. That bill bans schools from grouping or teaching students based on their ethnic backgrounds. The head of Arizona's education system, Tom Horn, has been pushing for this for years, saying that the programs divide students by race.
What's wrong with it is that it divides students up by race, and I believe that one of the principal ideas of the American public school system is we bring kids together and we teach them to treat each other as individuals. What matters about a person is what does he know, what can he do, what's his character or hers, not what race was he born into. No, in the summer of 1963, when I just graduated from high school, I went on the March on Washington, in which Martin Luther King gave his famous speech in which he said we should be judged by the quality of our character rather than the color of our skin, and that has been among my deepest beliefs my entire life. And so this has made me opposed to dividing students by race. In the Tucson School District, this was what led me to introduce this legislation. They divide the kids up. They've got Raza studies for the Latino kids. Raza means the race in Spanish. African American studies for the African American kids. Indian studies for the Native American kids. And Asian studies for the Asian kids. And they're dividing them up just like the Old South. And I believe that what's important about us is what we know, what we can do, what's our character as individuals, not what race we happen to have been born into. And the function of the public schools is to bring in kids from different backgrounds and teach them to treat each other as individuals.
As superintendent of Arizona schools, Republican Tom Horn made conservative principles work. As Attorney General, Tom Horn will protect our borders. It's time to take a stand.